Hi guys, we've got 9 months for the CAT exam starting from today. We still have 10 more days. According to me, the CAT is going to be on November 27th. That's my expected date for the CAT exam, last Sunday of November. So CAT is going to be on November. CAT के बाद SNAP, IB SET, we have all the exams coming up back to back. We'll talk about that in a separate lecture. So this is a complete plan now from April, May, June, July, August, September, October till March, till all the exams are over and the GDPI calls are happening. So let's first look at the plan for the CAT exam and then we'll go to the details. So CAT is expected date is November 22nd. That's my expected date. Result will come in the first week of January. The result will come and the GDPI will be happening in March, Feb and March. Okay, so Feb and March will have the GDPI interviews and finally joining will come in May, June, July. Okay, that's the tentative schedule for the CAT colleges. And I want you to focus on the CAT exam seriously because of COVID, all other exams are affected. But CAT exam happened on time, your calls came on time, GDPI happened on time, everything's happening online and on time. So I want to focus on the CAT exam. So it's a long break, these 7 months. So 1 April is almost khatam ho gaya. So May, June, July, August, September, October, November. So how I want to break is 3, 3, 1. So May, June end, June, July end is your first target. Starting from today, we got 10 days extra. May, June, July, I want to complete the full syllabus, complete basics by July end. So whenever, if you're starting up earlier, superb, we can move to the next level. Otherwise, those who are starting today, by July, we'll be done with the basics. Once the basics are done, we'll go for the advanced level in the next 3 months. We call them pro level. So basic level and the advanced level, pro level, phase 1 and phase 2. So these are the 2 phases of the CAT exam. So we'll complete the basic first and then we go for the advanced level, the pro level, in which we'll look at the high level question, this and that. And last 1 month, November ka month, we're keeping for mocks only. Alright, now those who have joined us earlier, they will be completing their basics by June and then syllabus by September, October month, they will get 2 months ka time for the mocks, which is fine. So whenever you start, there's no problem at all. So we can still complete the syllabus 3 times. If you're starting today, we can complete the syllabus once, second time, third time. And that's what we are going to cover up at CK. So in case you want to join our program, we're launching our program for books, mock, shortcuts. Link is given in the description box so that you can join. In case you want to join our program, you can join that. So this Monday, we're launching our new program. So basics, pro level. Same way, we are going to complete the book. So we have a mentor here. For example, Kritika ma'am is working with us. So she is your mentor. She will be giving you daily task. Very small task which you have to complete on the everyday basis. Right now, because we're just starting off, the targets are very, very simple. Apart from the lecture, targets are very, very simple. And lectures are every day. Okay. What normally happens is lecture conducted hafte mein 3 din, 3 days a week or 4 days a week, lecture being done for 1 hour, 2 hours ka lecture. What we did, what I realized, if you keep a lecture every day, even for 1 hour, and in case you miss it, you will feel the pinch. Okay, arey yaar, I missed my class. And that pinch is very, very important for the Indian student. You should feel the pinch. Ki nahi yaar, I missed my class. So that missing out on thing, that's why we're keeping the lecture every day. In case you miss, no problem. We are going to conduct the lecture again afterward as well. So we are going to complete the basics, let's say till July. Then August mein aake, when we go for the advanced level, we'll continue with the basics. Okay. Yeah, whatever I studied in May, if I remember in August, to baat hi kya tha? I'm not an Indian student then. Yeah, we are an Indian student. We forget things. It's natural. It's normal to forget. That's why we have to revise. So we're going to have the basic lectures again. So in case you miss the class, no problem. We'll have the basic lecture. You have the recordings, or you can see the basic lecture again for the advanced level. So same way we are going to conduct the books. This is the overall schedule. Then books, same way we'll start with the orange books, which is the level 1 books. Then we'll go for the pro books for the advanced level. Right now we are keeping 1 mock every month. 1 mock every month. I don't want to hurry up. I want to become more active probably around August, September time, when we make it hafte mein 2 mock, 3 mock. And last focus is going to be on November, October, November, when we give more and more mocks. Abhi ke liye 1-2 mocks, 1 mock per month is more than sufficient. Yeah, for example, let's keep a date for that. Today is April 10th. By April 17th, April 24th, we are keeping a mock. So let me announce the date. April 24th, let me check when is the next Sunday. So April 24th is Saturday. April 25th is going to be your first baby mock. April 25th. It's called baby mock. Very simple. नाम इसका baby है यार. I don't want you to top the exam. I just want you to feel the cat paper. कि boss, it's not that easy. It's not easy to first of all sit for that long time. So that's what we're going to start with. Okay. So my target for you for that is by April 25th mock is to make you understand cat. April, May, June. By June, your targets go is how much? 30 marks. That's it. In June's mock, I want you to score only 30 marks. Fine, sir, I'm already scoring 30 marks and this and that. Okay, no problem. Good. In that case, your target becomes 50 marks. Fine, that's it. 30 to 50 marks is what I need from you in June. We'll increase the number of hours आगे जाके. Fine, then come the phase 2. By September end, your target becomes 50 to 75, depending on where you are today. If 30 wala become 50, 50 will become 75, second target. So that in November, my target becomes 75 to 100. 75 is 95 percentile and 100 is 99 percentile. So there are two schools of thought. One, I just want the IM call. IM calls means scoring 75 marks, which is 95 percentile. Anybody, engineer, non-engineer, if you can score 95 percentile plus, provided you maintain the section cutoff, you will get the IM calls. Baby IMs, new IMs, you will get the IM calls. Okay. And if you want the main IM calls, the target is 99 percentile. In that case, you have to cross 99 percentile, which is 100 marks. So two schools of thought, 30, 50, 75, so that I can get the IM calls with 95 percentile. If from the reserved category, you can follow this chart. Otherwise, say 50, 75, 100. That is 99 percentile for the main IM calls, including SP Gen, FMS, other colleges as well. So whichever track you want to keep. For that, to reach that target is in November, not today. That's why today, June end, your target is 30 or 50 marks. Okay. For that first mock, I want to score a non-zero marks. So मुझे बस non-zero marks ला दे. That's it, non-zero. And we have a very good chance to convert. Alright. So this is a complete schedule. In case you want to join us, that includes your books, mocks, shortcut, the complete program at CK. So in case you want to join, just call the numbers given in the description box. All the best.